fully tight both bolts. When we are changing the knee sprockets and chain, check the drum rubbers. If it damaged, replace it with new. Push back both axle holders right over here, this one and this one. Reinstall both spacer back into slot, right one over here. Reinstall the tire. Reinstall the wheel back. Reinstall caliper string and it spacer back into slot. After installing wheel and axle back, reinstall the chain adjuster and a washer and nut back. Remove the master link and install the new chain. Route the chain from back.